Well, hello again, YouTube. AJ Shaver from Shaver Sales here, and I gotta tell you, I came up here for some sawdust therapy, and it did not disappoint because I just put a brand new chain on the 1824 diesel, and it cut so fast. I actually went back down to the house to get the GoPros so I could share my therapy time with you fine folks. So let me get the camera spun around. I'll show you what we have going on over here on the live deck. I do have a really nice long piece of oak up on here. It's going to be the second piece that we put up on the in-feed trough. And I love putting the longer stuff through this because the cord count just goes through the roof. It's absolutely stupid how fast this thing can actually process firewood. So I'm gonna do a quick walk around and then we'll get making some sawdust. So for those of you that maybe haven't seen the channel before, this is our 1824 diesel machine. It is a 49.5 horsepower Kohler diesel that handles up to about a 24-inch log diameter with an auto tensioner on the saw. Then we go to a disc cleaner, and then up to a radius axle stacking conveyor, which is 30 foot in length. And then we have 5 bag racks with the NNZ log lift bags that we outfit all the firewood into because it dries them out really, really fast. So this unit already has an extended frame, which pretty much runs from the weld right about here. It's 4 feet, and then this additional piece of oak is just going to be a fun one to run through. So just kind of give you the longer shot here before we infeed it. It is almost touching the yellow saw all the way up in there. And just for full disclosure, I will show you because there are some naysayers out there. And so we are about a foot away. So that's telling me we're right about 20 feet in overall length. We are running a 10-way wedge in this. So this is when I just had to stop because it cut it so fast. And yes, full disclosure, that is a piece of poplar in there. But then the next one is oak. And it looks like some ash. I don't know what that is. Probably just throw that off the side. Piece of maple. And then it looks like some more ash that we got to run through this. But we'll see how she does. But yeah, there's our 5 empty bags. Empty conveyor here, empty conveyor over there, and just the disc cleaner itself. So let me get the camera situated and we'll fire up the beast. minutes and 40 seconds on the camera. The bag is over full. While the cleaner and the conveyor are finishing that up, that's 2 full bags, me cleaning out the trough, moving the conveyor from one bag to the next. The camera is now reading 12 minutes and 50 seconds. I'm a one-man band and just produced $180, $170 worth of wood in 10 minutes. It's not bad. Yeah, that makes me smile. That's why I call it sawdust therapy. So like I said, that was fun. You know, I got the deck is empty here on the 1824. Nothing was set up, nothing was staged. This was just me coming up here. I put a new chain on it. It made me smile and figured, you know what, I would share what makes me smile with you in hopes that maybe you needed a smile today. I don't know what you're going up against, but for me, that was fun. 2 full bags in 12 minutes. Like I said, it's just money falling off the other end. I'll get the camera turned around here to show you what the disc cleaner actually pulled out of the mess. So this is just debris from 2 bags. Like most times, the more wedges you have in something, the more debris you'll get out of it. So we'll come up here and we'll pull this kind of stuff out. You know, it's good kindling size. We'll throw that in the wrapper, and that way we can still make some money even off of, you know, what's considered the kindling side of things. So our first very over full bag, got some stuff spilled on the ground. I'll move the top of this one into the one next to it. So basically everything from like here up will fit into the other bag. And that's what, you know, 10 minutes of video can produce. Now remember, the machine started up. I walked away to move the conveyor. So if you're figuring out the cord count per hour, you got to give me a little bit of grace for walking away from the controls and not just hammering on it until everything's gone. Nice pile of sawdust we've got. All right, well, again, just the math on it, we do get about $85 for one of our bags, so it's 170 bucks in 10 minutes. So yeah, it's pretty nice to be able to come up and do that. Gonna fire up the mini excavator, load the deck, and do it again. And so I am AJ Shaver with Shaver Sales. If there's anything we can ever get you a quote on, please don't hesitate to give us a phone call. It's 833-SPLITTER. That's 833-775-4887. You can also email me at sales@shaverequipment.com. If you are watching this video and something that we've shown you intrigues you or sparks an interest, please, please, please let us earn your business through a sales quote. We do these videos as advertising pieces for the manufacturers that we are so blessed to sell the equipment for. So don't call them, call me. Not them, me, right here, 833-SPLITTER, sales@shaverequipment.com. Thank you again so much for watching, and hope to see you next time. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, and we'll see you next time.